everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to make a card from the Stamperia's Junk Journal Candy Christmas. It's a book and it's for junk journaling, but we're going to use it for a card. Let me know if you junk journal. I have actually never heard of junk journal until I saw this, so let me know if you do that and what makes you want to junk journal. I'm interested to find that out. But this is just a really clever little book that you can use to junk journal and to make a card. So it does come with some pattern paper. So let's look through this. Actually, you have this really pretty background. You can even die cut out the Merry Christmas, or use this as part of your landscape in your card. Another pattern paper. Now you do get some stickers and they're on a thinner side, so let me just peel that up so you can tell how thin that is, but you can use them as your background, or if you want to mat it, that would be a good idea. You also have the cutouts and you just punch them out. Oh, look how pretty they are. I love that some of these they have something on the front and then on the back it's plain. So like this one, this one, this one, see how there's stuff on there. So if you don't want, Home Sweet Home, you can find something else, like a sticker or something like that, and put it on there, right? Or you can punch out like the little snowflake or the candy cane and put it on there, I don't know, or the heart. That would be super sweet. So again, Hello Santa, and then you have the plain one. Then you have some like I like to call these cut aparts. So those would be great for scenery. And then you have some more pattern paper. This one's super pretty. And then you have all these different types of hot air balloons. Now these are the stickers. So that's pretty cool. And then you have another set of stickers. More scenes. So different scene. You have one with the snow, and then the blanker ones, if that's the word, the blank side of things. And then you have pattern. This would be great for advent calendar, or you have nothing on the back, so you can put whatever you want. And then these also punch out as well, which is pretty neat. More punch outs. Oh, look at that. Then you have some more pattern. I wish this was punched out, that you can punch out, because this would be fun to make. You can fussy cut it. I'm just not a good fussy cutter. I love fussy cutting. I should get a scan and cut, really. And then you have this pretty I think I want to use this one. I like that one. And then these are more, this is just pattern cardstock, and then you have these more pattern. So I don't know, these are just really pretty. I mean, oh gosh, it is so hard to choose where to begin, right? It's just, I don't know, this is just, it's hard. You even have this pretty background that you could use to sticker, right? And then this one, that'd be interesting. Oh, look at this cake. Oh my gosh, I wish I was that good. Definitely not. So grab yourself a junk journal. This is from the Stamperia's Junk Journal Candy Christmas. I'm going to play around with this a little bit, try to figure out what I want, and then we'll try to make a card out of this. Alright, I think after playing around with it a little bit, I think I have a card I want to do. So I'm going to pull this one out. And I'm going to create a scene using my my Eyelet rectangular dies from the Pretty Pink Posh. I love all their eyelets. I bought all of them. And then I'm also going to pull, well, actually, yeah, I'm going to pull this the snowman. I was thinking about doing the Santa. That's why it was on my mind. There we go. See, easy peasy, no die cutting. And I'm thinking of having her right there, and then bringing in the second from the, well, I might go bigger, but I kind of like thinking of mounting it kind of like this, right? Does that make sense? The only thing is I'll need to figure out, that'd be so super cute. Okay, I'm loving that idea. Now I need to find a sentiment. Now I can always just create my own sentiment from my own stamps and dies, but I want to try to stick with this. And I almost feel like the stamps and dies here is just so big. Now this is a sticker, so I might just put that below it. I might try to do December Magic or something. I might do December Magic. Okay, and I also thought about matting my eyelet, rectangular eyelet with the glitter to have that shine through the holes, but we will see. And then I might use this, although I think now this might be too much, but I was thinking about having this as my full, this is blush and this is breeze, I believe, or windy breeze, I think, but I do like that. Or do we like, I don't know, we'll see. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself, right? So what I need to do now is to trim this down. I kind of want to be meticulous about this because I don't want, you know, I want to be able to use these other scenes for other things. So I want to kind of be careful of how I want to trim this down. And I kind of want an idea about, you know, something. I just need to trim it down for it to go through my paper trimmer, or through my die cutting machine, excuse me. And then I'll just move that down. And I'm not going to go up all the way because, again, I don't know what I want to do with the rest of it. Probably went a little bit too far up, but I'm just going to, there we go. And that way, the rest of this is intact, and you can use this for something else. You also could use this for something else if you wanted to, right? Right there. Perfect. Okay. That will work just fine. Okay. So I'm going to run this through my machine. I'll be right back. Okay, lifting that up, pulling that off. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. It's just gonna go right there. Oh, it's gonna be such an easy card, really. Okay, so I'm using my Diamond Glitter cardstock. I think this would be super pretty to have this matted. I might just do exactly, well, do I want to go a little bit? Yeah, I just wanted a hair bigger. I think that would be pretty. All right. So 3 1/4, I'll go up 1/8, so 3 3/8. So to be honest, I don't know my final dimensions now because I have trimmed it down several times just to get it to perfect where I wanted it to be, but it's roughly in between 3 1/4 and 3 3/8, or it's roughly between 1/4 and 3/8. Let's just put it that way. I mean, these are the pieces I took off. Okay, so again, it's not enough for it to be noticeable, but I didn't want a big margin. Before we move any further, the question is, let me bring out some white cardstock too. Do we want to mount this on a white cardstock and have that be our focal point? Or, so there's the white. Or do we want to do the blue? I feel like the blue is just, it's getting lost a little bit. So I think the blue is out for sure. Move that to the side. And then here's the pink. It does bring out that pink. I do kind of like the pink. Oof, this is a tough decision. Let's do white. Let's just keep it simple. Okay, now I need to bring this back out because I also need to think about my sentiment. But before I do that, I actually can go ahead and get this glued on. I have some foam tape on the back of my glitter cardstock, and I want to get the, actually, you know what, I think I'm getting ahead of myself because I'm not sure where I want my sentiment to go. I'm pretty sure it's going to have to go somewhere here, and I don't even know what my sentiment's going to be. I think I want to do, I think it's a sticker actually. And I kind of, wait a minute, hold on. I saw this candy cane. I kind of want to punch out that candy cane. Okay, so that way he or she, whatever it wants to be. Do you want to do Merry and Bright right at the bottom? I'm going to stick it to my little trash can because this is tape resistant, if you will, or sticky resistant, so it's not going to mess it all up. Wait, did I decide? I don't think I decided if I wanted it down here. Because I do have enough of a margin. Yeah, I guess I do. Alright. Or do I want to mat this with some glitter cardstock? Or would that be too much? Oh my goodness, you guys. There, that's good. Okay. Now we can take the backers off and put that on there. Okay. Do we want it like kind of like this? Oh, I kind of like that. What do we think? What do we think? I kind of like it off like that, off kiltered. Oh goodness. Do I want it? Yeah, you know what? Let's do it. Like, come on. We always keep it even keeled and everything, so even keeled. I mean, we always keep everything symmetrical. So let's just be dangerous. Let's live on the edge, folks. Let's do it. I have made so many cards that didn't even make the lineup for this season. I was just having fun making Christmas cards. I made so many. Again, the idea is to sell them eventually. I don't know if they're sale worthy. Let me know in the comment section if you think that the cards that I've been making, and be honest, be nice and honest. If you think that they would be worth selling. I don't know if I'm there yet. I don't know if I'm good at card making just yet. I'd like to think that I'm almost there. Maybe another year of practicing making cards, but I'm keeping them and I'm storing them in little plastic bags and with the envelopes, so that way I'll sell them, and if they don't sell, they don't sell. But I don't know if I'm quite there yet with my cards. I like to think that I am, but and I just realized, oh cool, the scarf is on the right side and then the scarf's on the left side, so you can kind of play around with it. I kind of want it to be on the right side. I like that. That's kind of cool. So that way the little candy cane could be on the right. So I'm going to use my little foam squares. Hopefully that, it takes a while for the anything to attach to the glitter cardstock. It takes a while for it to adhere, so that's why I put that foam block on there. Okay. We'll just do that, and then we'll put this little cutie patooties here. Okay, and then we'll just glue. I love that it has the front and back, so you can switch it to whatever side you want, whatever your little heart desires. My heart is desiring it to be like so. There we go. I almost feel like it needs a little bit of a little foam square to support that little arm right there. So cute. Oh my gosh, love it. It is perfect. Okay, so now the question is, do we want to add any embellishments? And I don't think I do, although the one thing I will add is maybe some I need some scrap paper. Hold on one second. I think that's good. Just a little bit will do you. And then I'm going to add some glossy accents to, oh sorry guys if you heard my phone, some glossy accents to my candy cane to make that nice and shiny glossy. right? And it's cloudy, but it will dry clear once it's done. And I just add a titanium pin, and it's because it clogs up on me all the time, so that's why I did that. And there is my finished card. Look how cute that is. I am loving it. I kind of wish I had a little bit of better support on that candy cane. Oh my goodness, my phone. But, oh gosh, and I think oh, and you guys, I was supposed to put this all off kiltered, and I realized I put it on straight, except it's kind of crooked. Oh gosh, I don't know what I see. I can't help but myself but make it symmetrical. Oh well, maybe in the next card. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next card or craft video. Bye.